This thin, crisp cookie has a wonderful almond flavor and is not overly sweet. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and with only 5 simple ingredients, it is quick and easy to make. You'll want almond flour or almond meal for this recipe. It is important to measure everything accurately for this recipe, so spoon your almond meal into the measuring cup and then level it. When you scoop ingredients, you'll end up with more than what is called for. Then measure the brown rice flour and the powdered sugar the same way by spooning it into the measuring cup and leveling it. This recipe calls for brown rice flour, not flour mix. I prefer light olive oil for this recipe, but you can use extra virgin as well. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. Then dump all of your ingredients into a bowl and stir until combined. Then drop the dough in small balls onto the parchment-lined sheets. "12 cookies per pan. While your first pan is baking, wrap the remaining dough in plastic wrap so it won't dry out. You won't want to refrigerate this dough or make it ahead of time. Because my baking pan is still a little warm, I'm going to roll my remaining dough into balls on a plate. And then transfer them all at once to the cookie sheet and bake as before. Be sure to allow the cookies to completely cool before storing them. I hope you enjoy these light, delicious cookies. And please see my playlist for other great gluten-free desserts. Thanks for watching.